This is our third lesson on identifying the principal parts of verbs. Remember, there are four principal parts: the base form, the present participle, the simple past, and the past participle. Whenever we're talking about participles, what we're talking about is adding one of those helping verbs. For those of you who don't remember, the helping verbs equal the to be verb, as in am, is, are, was, were, be, being, and been, and our 15 auxiliary verbs: can, could, should, may, might, must, will, would, shall, do, does, did, have, has, had. So adding those helping verbs to the base form is what makes that participle form of the verb. So your lesson for today, you're going to be asked to write down the form of the verb, and you can just write down one of them, so you don't have to write down all of the possible helping verbs that could go with it. So for example, if you're asked for the past participle of clean, you would write has cleaned or have cleaned. If you are asked for the past form of appear, you would write appeared. If you were asked for the past participle, of beg, you would write something like had begged. I hope that makes sense. Good luck. You can do multiple takes on your exercise.